Anthony Morrocco, 80 years old, bro. You're like a kid, man. I'll tell you what, Anthony. I use Morocco method every single day of my life, at least once or twice. And so I am stoked out of my mind. Look at this hair. Are you kidding me? Come on, I'm having a good hair day, actually. So thank you, Anthony, for everything that you've done for me. And man, I love Morocco method. So thanks for all your hard work and your commitment to excellence. So you let me know if you need anything. I'm going to continue to promote the Morocco method, because I'll tell you what, right now, I was stressed out last year. Still am a little bit. But I reversed gray hair with Morocco method and green juice. So get on it, folks. I love you. God bless you, Anthony. Peace be with you, brother. Happy birthday. Many happy more. See you soon. Aloha.